Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin Elms. Today I'm going to be talking about impact investments by a platform called Tickr. Tickr allows you to invest your money into companies that are doing good for people and the planet so that your money can work for you whilst doing good for the world. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not an expert on investments, so please make sure you do your research after watching this video before deciding to invest your own money. I haven't been investing for long, so I think that puts me in a position to be quite relatable when talking about investments, as I have the same worries and concerns as new investors do. Tickr very kindly gifted me 2 of their Tickr t-shirts that are made out of eco-friendly and very comfy material organic cotton. If you would like to get one of these, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and also comment below one of your savings goals. I will pick somebody at random and I'll send it to your address free of charge. So in layman's terms, investments are the places you put your money into that you expect to make a nice return in the future, but the money is at risk as the value could go up or down depending on the stock market. In the UK, you can have 1 stocks and shares ISA per year where you can invest up to £20,000 tax-free. After you've reached the £20,000 mark in your stocks and shares ISA, you can get a general stocks and shares ISA, but all of the money in that one will be taxed. Okay, what is Tickr? Tickr is an investment app that allows you to simply and easily invest in one of 4 of their investment themes that are all impact investments. It has been tailored towards new investors to take the guesswork out of investing by offering these 4 simple and easy to understand investment themes, which are climate change, equality, disruptive technology, and a combination of all 3. I would recommend Tickr for the following reasons. They have thought very carefully about the future of investing and investors who are increasingly becoming more aware of their impact on the planet and want to have a cleaner conscience and let their investments reflect that. They have lots of knowledge on investments in bite-sized chunks within their app, and their website helps you to get up to speed with investment jargon without being intimidated, as they explain everything in layman's terms, which I greatly appreciate as someone with dyslexia. They also have a guide called Investment Without the BS, which is a great foundation of knowledge about investing. Their fees for using the platform are clearly identified, making them very transparent, which is something I personally love. As a quick breakdown, after your first free month, they charge an affordable £1 a month, and that is for managing your account. Then over £3,000 of investments, they charge an annual platform fee of 0.3% on your balance that is over £3,000. There's also an additional fee not charged by them, but by the provider of the underlying investments, which varies depending on your chosen investment theme and your risk, from around 0.25 to 0.49% annually on the balance of your investment. But this is generally taken into account once you deposit your money in the account, so it's already sort of taken out. Generally speaking, for your investments to make sense, you want to aim to be investing enough to make more in annual returns than the annual fees on Tickr. So in other words, for your first year, you want to be making more than £11. For your second year, you want to be aiming to make more than £12 for it to make sense, which is very feasible to do. Their contact team within the app are very quick to respond. Usually they respond within a few hours or the next day if you message them quite late at night. Their new approach to investing is very refreshing, and it's something that I've personally been looking for quite a long time. You can invest in very small amounts starting from £5, making investing more accessible for people. Although again, for it to make sense, you want to be investing a lot more than £5 if you can. I love that when you join, they give you the option to receive a daily email about the basics of investing over 7 days, to cram in lots of bite-sized knowledge about investing, to bring you up to speed and feel more knowledgeable about investments, and thus be calmer about it and plan ahead accordingly. I like that they want to empower you with knowledge so that you can make the right decisions for you, instead of letting people invest without knowing much about it. It's like they want you to succeed. I also love that they've planted 2 trees for everyone that signs up using my referral code. They also offer their investments as ETFs, which is one of the most affordable ways to invest your money in loads of companies at the same time. I can't emphasize enough how much I love their platform and how much thought has gone into every single detail. It's like the more I discover about them, the better I feel about my decision to go with them to invest my own money. I'm now going to talk about the investment theme that I've chosen and how much I invest every month. I chose the climate change theme, which includes clean energy and global water. And initially I had it on balanced risk, but I recently changed it to the adventurous risk risk, which is the higher risk option. I did this because I'm an all or nothing kind of gal, and with it being an ethical investment, I don't mind so much if it goes down in value for the time being. To me, I'm investing in the future and also helping renewable energy and smart water technology to develop faster, which is going to help my future as well as everybody else's. Also, I don't donate any of my monthly income to charity, aside from buying second-hand clothing from charity shops. So I see it as me doing my bit for the planet, almost like being a philanthropist, except there is a good chance of me making a decent return in the future. I see my investment as a 5-year-ish plan that I intend to stick to as long as my income allows me to. Initially, I invested £100, and on a monthly basis, I'm investing about £25 to £50 and more if I can. So if you're interested in investing your money in Tickr, I've got a link for you below, which will get you £10 free credit when you deposit at least £10 into your account, and you keep it there for at least 90 days. Also, we will both get a tree planted in our names in Indonesia because Tickr has partnered with One Tree Planted, which is amazing. My hippie heart is very happy about that because trees make me really happy. So far, I've got 3 trees planted from recommending my friends to Tickr. Even if you don't plan on using your account after the 90 days have elapsed, you can still withdraw that free £10 credit that Tickr added to your account and your initial deposit, as well as any top-ups that you've made during that time, plus or minus if it had gone up or down in value. During those 90 days, you would have had 1 month for free and then 2 months where you would have had £1 taken, so £2 in total. So overall, with that free £10 credit, minus the £2 that you would have been charged, you're gaining £8 for doing nothing, and you've got a tree planted. Of course, your money could have gone up or down in value, but that's just the risk you take when you're making investments. To be honest, after seeing the growth on your account after those 90 days, I'm sure that a lot of you are going to want to keep that account open and keep investing on a regular basis. If you want to see more videos like this about money matters and living a more eco-conscious lifestyle, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making a video about the barriers to investing for new investors, and also a few investment tips that I think you will find useful if you are new to investing. So if you are interested in them topics, make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out on them. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it has helped you to learn more about impact investments and start investing your money to prepare for your future, as well as helping the planet in the process. I hope you have a great day, sending you peace and love. Goodbye.